In this video, I'll show you two ways on how to update your drivers in Windows 11. The first method is by updating your drivers through Windows Updates. First, click on the Start menu and search for Settings. On the left side panel, find and click on Windows Update. Now, click on Check for Updates. If there are drivers updates available, Windows will display them here. Simply install the updates, then make sure to restart your computer so the updates take effect. As you can see on my screen, I already have the latest updates installed, but if not, yours will show available updates and it may look like the sample image. The second method is by searching for Device Manager in the Start menu and opening it. This will show a full list of devices installed on your computer. Let's say we want to update the Bluetooth driver. Simply right-click the device and select Update Driver. Here you'll see two options: Search automatically for drivers or Browse my computer for drivers. Let's choose Search automatically so Windows can check the latest version for us. You can repeat the same process for other devices such as your graphics card driver, sound card, or network adapter. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.